Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some spicy barbecue fried chicken wings. And I'm also gonna add some leg and thigh to it, but that's totally optional. You can just use the wings. So these are all of my seasoning that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and salt, and that's 1 teaspoonful. So first we're gonna combine all of our seasoning together. Make sure everything is all blend, okay? So after you blend all of your seasoning together, you're just gonna take it and sprinkle it all over on your chicken. And I turn the chicken over and I'm gonna season that part also. So guys, do not use all of your seasoning because we're gonna use some of the seasoning for our flour mix, okay? So now you're gonna take your both hands and you're gonna massage that seasoning right inside of your chicken. You can always use a gloves, but I prefer use my bare hands. Make sure you rub it all in because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. So my chicken has been seasoning, and guys, that's the amount of seasoning that I left back for my flour mix, okay? So these are my rest of my ingredients. So here I have 1 cup of plain flour, 1/4 cup of milk, plain milk, and 1 egg. So I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning to my flour. Then you're gonna take your fork or whatever you have and just combine it all together. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoonful of salt and 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder to my flour mix, just to add more flavor to it. Then I'm just gonna take my fork and just combine it all together once again. So now I'm gonna make my mixture for my milk. So here I have my egg and I'm taking my fork and beating my egg with it. I'm also gonna add my hot pepper sauce to my egg. That's at least 3 spoonfuls of hot pepper sauce. But you can use whatever amount you want. It all depends how spicy you want it. Then you're gonna take your fork and just combine everything together. Then after you finish blend it all together, you're just gonna take it and pour it all in your milk. And you just continue to stir it, okay? So that's how it should look like after you finish blend it all together. So now I'm gonna take all of my milk mixture and just pour it all on my chicken, just like so. Then you're gonna take your hand and just massage all that milk right inside of the chicken. You can always leave it to marinate for overnight or even for at least 1 or 2 hours. So now guys, I'm gonna coated my chicken. So here I have my flour mix and I also have my chicken there. So you're just gonna add your chicken to your flour mix and just make sure guys all the flour is on the chicken, okay? So you're just gonna shake off the excess flour and make sure you have a plate also so you can put all your coated chicken on your plate. So I'm just gonna carry on doing the same process. So all of my chicken is all coated and that's what it look like. So now I'm gonna fry it now. So in my pot there, I've got at least 1.5 cup of vegetable oil. And I just add just 2 cloves of garlic to my oil because I want to make sure my oil is well hot. Then after, I'm gonna remove my garlic because I don't want it to burn, you know. Then now I'm gonna add my chicken to the pot and I'm gonna allow it to fry guys for at least 5 minutes on each side, okay? And make sure you do not overcrowd your pot with the chicken, okay? So now I'm gonna turn my chicken and guys, as you can see, it is nice and golden and it is so crispy. So now I'm gonna remove my chicken from the pot. So now I'm gonna add my remaining chicken that's left to my pot. Guys, just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? So now I'm carrying on with the same process. I'm just turning my chicken. I'm just removing it now. So all of my chicken is all fried, and that's what it look like. Guys, it is nice and crispy and crunchy and exactly how I want it. Perfect. So now I'm gonna make my sauce for my fried chicken. So here I've got at least 1.5 cup of barbecue sauce, and I also have at least 4 spoonful of ketchup. So now I'm adding my ketchup to my barbecue sauce. So now I'm taking my spoon and just blend it all together. So I'm adding at least 3 spoonfuls of granulated sugar to my sauce. You can also add a brown sugar. Then you just want to give it a stir. Then I'm also gonna add 1 spoonful of Cajun seasoning to my sauce. Just to give it more flavor, guys. Then you just want to stir it all in. So guys, I'm just gonna add some more seasoning to it. So I'm just gonna add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some paprika, and it's off a teaspoonful, okay? So you just wanna combine everything together, guys. I'm adding at least 1 spoonful of hot pepper sauce and some water just to loosen it up, not a lot. So this is exactly how you want your sauce to be, guys. Not too thick, just nice and runny, okay? So here I have a pot on the stove, and my stove, guys, is on a medium heat. And now I'm just gonna pour all of my sauce in my pot because I just want to eat up the sauce. And you just want to leave it on your stove for at least 3 minutes, okay? So my sauce is finally finished, guys, and that's what it look like. It look absolutely yummy and it tastes so delicious. So make sure you get yourself a bowl, and you're gonna add all your fried chicken to a bowl, and then that hot sauce, you're just gonna pour it all over on your fried chicken. Guys, look at that. Absolutely delicious. I did not put all of my sauce on my chicken. As you can see, some part is still left because I want my chicken to be nice and crunchy. You see that chicken wings right there, guys? Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please share this video to your family, to your friend, and all over on your social media. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.